105 subscribers, y'all. Goal is 1,000. Yeah, just a couple minutes to see what we get. Oh shit, we starting to flood a little bit. All right. Oh man. Okay, that's plenty. So before we, you know, before we get started, let's take a moment of silence. The reason we taking this moment of silence is because on Monday, the 29th of March, the trial for that unnamed murderer who killed George Floyd starts his trial. So let's take a moment of silence for George Floyd. All right, thanks. So the purpose of this stream was to announce the winner. But I think the catch 22, so to speak, is the fact that you have to be present in order to win. And the winner is TJ. TJ, you in the chat? TJ in the chat. If not, we just gonna move forward. We're gonna go somewhere else with it. No problem with that at all. All right. So, all right, let's carry on. So, as of 2020, Minnesota statutes 609.195, murder in the third degree. A, whoever, without intent to affect the death of any person, causes the death of another by perpetrating an act imminently dangerous to others and advancing depraved murder without regard for human life is guilty of murder in the third degree and may be sentenced to imprisonment for not more than 25 years. So, what is what does that mean in regards to into the trial? So, without intent is the first thing that kind of stuck out to me because uh, if you have watched the video, and I'm sure most of us have watched it by now, uh, he's gonna state his lawyers are gonna state that he didn't purposely kill George Floyd. Now that's the difference between the degrees in murder. Um, but the thing that really bothers me about them being charged or him being charged with third degree murder is section B. Whoever without intent to cause death approximately causes the death of a human being by directly or indirectly unlawfully selling, substance classified in Schedule 1 or 2 is guilty of murder in the third degree and may be sentenced to imprisonment for not more than 25 years or to payment of a fine of not more than $40,000 both. So remember, for those of you who remember the George Zimmerman trial for the murder of Trayvon Martin, and people always ask, how did he get off, this, that, or whatever. They're being charged with the wrong things. Um, George Zimmerman basically got off on the stand your ground because the way that his charges read, he was able to stand his ground, even though we know that he hunted Trayvon Martin down, got beat the fuck up, and then killed him as a result because he was weak and scary and all that type of stuff. The jury, and I had it, but correct me if I'm wrong. I think they selected 9 ladies and 5 guys to be the jurors on the trial for George Floyd's murder. Why is it important that that there are more ladies than gentlemen? I think that it's going to be more important because of the fact that when all of the facts are given, and opinions, because we don't have opinions in the trial too, but when everything is given, I think that the 9 ladies will be better in tune and more focused on what is going on, more so than the guys. Not because guys have shorter attention spans, but we kind of do. And also the attention to the details will be better, perceived and all of that by the women on the trial, or by the women in the jury, more so than the guys. Because I've sat on a trial. Well, it was a court martial, but I sat on the trial. And I promise you, while I did pay attention in details as far as some of the other jurors, mainly the ladies that were on the jury, like the guys, we didn't pay as much attention as they did to everything. Even though we were sitting up taking notes, like theirs were more copious. So I think that despite there being actual footage of this egregious crime, I think that even with everything that's going to be said, I think it's going to be the ladies who bring it in for the win. But the question is the win for who? Because we still have to remember this is America, and we still have to remember that he was an officer of the law when this happened. And the track record of convictions is not on the side of the family of George Floyd. It's more so on the side of the officer that was involved, or the officers that were involved. I encourage everybody that's watching. How many of y'all is it right now? 364 y'all. All 364 y'all to follow that trial on Court TV. Because throughout the week, I will be popping back up, not lives, but just short videos, talking about it so that we can all keep each other up to date. Because the People State, make sure you go watch those People State videos. Yeah, but the People State is definitely going to be covering the entire trial every day. We're going to drop something every day, whether it's me, whether it's Rich, whoever. We're going to drop something every day. So, also, on a whole other subject, because I wanted to talk about this too. We are looking for, uh, we're looking for actors to film these skits, and how is that going to work? Now, what will happen is you get the skit, you shoot all of your parts in individual videos, send them back. You send them back, I chop them up, put them out. Uh, so if you or someone you know wants to, give it a shot, by all means, let me know. You can hit us up on. Actually, you can leave comments, and I'll find you. Just make sure that when you say you're ready to go, that you're ready to go. Because if you say you are and then you're not, then I'm not gonna ask you again. Not to be harsh, but I'm trying to move forward. See, 410 in all? Damn, let's get it. But what I'm gonna do now, I'm ending this live. I appreciate everybody who stopped by for the short time that I was on, but it's time to get on the grill. We're on grill.